Starter on the SS Chevy. It's on airbags. Starter's located passenger side, right down in there, straight down below the manifold. Put the truck in the air. Alright, this battery is mounted right in front of the bumper. Just want to disconnect your terminal first. And you want to raise the truck, passenger side. Alright, once you raise the truck, there's a starter right there. Passenger front. Two number 13 bolts. One here and one there. You want to take those out now. And then we'll disconnect all the wiring. Oops, sorry about that. Dropped my camera. But you want to take out your two number 13s. Once you do that, you just pretty much push back on the starter out of your flywheel. Starter comes down. Now you can get to your electrical connections in the back. Alright, so it's a number 8. It's kind of hard to see for a small wire. It's a little harder to see under this truck because it's so low, but number 8 for the small wire. $13 for the big wire. Nuts. I'm gonna take those off now. Once you do that, starters out. I do everything from my YouTube. Yeah. And that's the SS Chevy starter replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.